Hello, this is Kazuya. I'm Formula D Pro driver. I'm driving this car, Toyota FRS. Good tips for leading is I don't even focus the chase driver. I just focus to drive my driving. So sometimes, you can see the chase driver through the window and you can hear the engine sound from the chase driver and you feel nervous, but just focusing like my view, my driving. Round 5, same race, it's like pretty relaxed. I was just focusing my lead driving. Thank you guys, I hope you guys enjoy my tips. More information is on my Throdle account. Check it out.